We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.